Hi, I'm Kaleb Arnall for United Pacific. Today, we're going to take a look at our wide variety of big rig truck pressurized engine coolant reservoirs and coolant level sensors. We make these coolant reservoirs for popular heavy-duty trucks like Peterbilt, Kenworth, Freightliner, and Volvo. These tanks include the electronic coolant level sensor, coolant hose ports, and a new filler cap. Installation is as simple as replacing the original reservoir and connecting the factory plugs on the sensors. Fill and bleed the engine coolant and you're back on the road. Do you just need a replacement sensor? We've got you covered. The plug-and-play electronic sensors are available for most trucks. If you need assistance, support is available at faq.upauto.com. You can find our products at any United Pacific dealer or visit our website at truck.upauto.com.